Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. This is gonna be my first trade. This is a very crazy ranging market. You see that this is a range, and yeah, we also have the long wicks. See that? For example, in previous candle we could take the sell trade right here, okay, because we also had this round number. Okay, if I'm being honest, I would wait for this to cross this and then I would enter here. But anyways, that would be a takeable trade. And now we are closing exactly on the doji range. As you all know, and I've told this before, when we have a doji, it means that we have a ranging market in a lower time frame. Okay, a ranging market in a lower time frame. Let's just check it. This is the doji, and if I go to the lower time frame, it should be some sort of range. Okay, like if you consider this as a range, if we break this from the each side, for example, here now we broke that, the market tries to come to the range again. All right, and especially I wouldn't take this trade, to be honest, but since we have double the range and this is a big range and a smaller range inside of that, so this is very strong. Then you have a doji in a double range, like in a bigger range, you can count on that. This is also pretty much the doji candle. All right, that's how it is. So yeah, this trade was also very nicely takeable. You see that we broke the range, we're coming back to the range again. We might break this range from the upside and again come back to them, but this time, since we're coming from pretty strong area, okay, I will wait for marginal safety here because hold on, I will take this risk with a very small amount just in case, because this might be the place of starting a trend to the, you know, at least the lower, upper band, which in this case is this resistance. It can be a decision point for the market to reach that. That's why I lowered the risk, just because we might lose this. As you can see, we're losing the trade, but no problem though. Let's see if we can find a reason to take a sell. Taking a sell trade right here, it can be risky because, you know, the market just can't keep pushing up. But if we consider the market sequence and all that stuff, we can take a sell, okay? But there's no other reason to combine for a sell. So we can just keep going on. Let's just change this market and don't overthink that. All right. Oh my God, look at this. It's not a very strong. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, I didn't see this trend line. Trend line combination with this round number. And yeah. But this is a minor uptrend though. It's very dangerous to go against that. It's getting rejected from this overlapping level right here, and I will take a sell right here. If it goes a little higher, no. God damn it. Yeah, I took this sell trade because we have the supply area and we broke this supply so the sellers can enter. And previously we see sellers entering and pushing the price pretty low, okay? And I believe there should be some supply at the lower scale that supported this price, but there's a lot of sellers, okay? These sellers are coming from this supply area, all right? So we see the sellers in the previous candle, and also now we're breaking the supply area. We can have the trend line as well. So let's see if we're gonna win this. Oh my god, it's struggling. Oh my goodness, let's go. All right, now we have this. Let's see if we can find a common point. It should be a common point, but remember when you're trying to draw your common point, make sure that you're not breaking a candle's body. Okay, I want to take a sell right here. And oh my god, look at this one. There's a very nice QM. You see that we have been coming up like crazy previously. Oh my god, look at this moving average. Guys, I know a lot of people are gonna ask about the moving average. It's 23 SMA. I'm testing out this moving average. It seems that it's pretty good dynamic support and resistance. If you look at here, it respects pretty well. And yeah, and all of a sudden you see that we have been making higher highs. We have been making higher highs, and all of a sudden we broke the previous low. Okay, it should sound something. It should be telling you something. Okay, so when you have this situation in the market, you will have a QM level. It's exactly here. You draw it just like this. When the price comes here, you can take a price action trade to the downside, 3 to 5 minutes. So now the market is trying to create a base, and then it will decide to go down or go up. And you see that we don't see any sort of high right here. So it's sign of weakness for the market. And if you break this, we can go down. What the hell was that? All right. If we break this to the downside, we can go at least to the previous demand area, which in this case is going to be down here. All right. Okay, I will go. Oh my god, come down a little more. If it comes, okay, let's go. I go with the buys right here. It's a gap up, but no problem. No worries about this gap up. We also have the market sequence right here as the previous time, and this is a very long candle, sign of reversal. It doesn't have any sort of small rejection. You know, in some cases, having small rejection down here, it can cause the price to continue because it's seller's confidence. Okay, it's not buyer's rejection, it's seller's confidence. And yeah, just like this one, it's not a rejection, it's confidence. Okay, and this is a very nice double bottom right here. It's a reversal point for the market for the last time, and now we're breaking this area. Since we got this double bottom back there, and it has already 2 touches, and this is the 3rd touch, this is also count as a breakout trading. All right, so normally we'd count the 3rd touch as breakout trading, but if we have a double bottom, okay, and then we have the 3rd touch breaking that, and it's lower than 50% of the candle, it's the 50% of the candle. All right, so you can count on the, you know, breakout even better. All right, especially if you have buyer's entry as a trend. Okay, that's very, I mean, this is beautiful. Okay, let's see, let's just add a couple of pairs. I don't know today why I'm struggling to find some good ones. All right. All right, so this is the same chart. Let's see if we connect this. And then got the sellers, got the, okay. And go a little higher, please. No. Oh. No. Oh my god, we have this gap down. I don't like this gap down at all. I don't like this at all. Like this gap down right here. Goodness. Okay. So this is a base as you see. And this is the time for breakout. We don't know if this is going to break out from here or down here. And I took this trade just because of this seller's entry. If we connect them, let me see, let's go add one more right on the round number. All right, so the only reason they are pushing up, this is a freaking gap down, okay? Otherwise it would drop like crazy. I was expecting this kind of candle, but no problem. Let's see, we will win this trade for sure, but I don't know about this one. Yeah, that's why you know, the proper thing is just, okay, that was a winning trade though. I will add one more sell right here. Yeah, that's why the proper thing is just wait for, you know, a couple of seconds to candle open, and then you can go with your trend. But this time I go with the sellers more confidently, okay, even though we got this gap down again, but there's no way they push up even higher than this, because it's basically the third touch, first touch, second touch, and the third touch is exactly closing on this rejection point. But guess what? We also have the round number here, so it's pretty good point to go with the sellers. I was planning, you know, if we were failing this one as well, like it would be this candle. If we were mean to break this level, it would be a very strong candle, and after the strong candle, 2 or 3 next candle would be also buys. So I was planning, if I fail this, I would go with it, like if it's a buyer's candle, I would go with the buyers for double or triple trade, but it didn't fail. So okay, that's it for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for your crazy support. It's unbelievable, and I don't know how to thank you enough and put them in the words. But about the mentorship, so many people just texting me freaking daily, and yeah, it will be ready soon. I'm trying to really make it fucking craziest mentorship in the world, and it will be ready soon. Please, man, just be patient, and yeah, peace out.